So RMIT are one of Australia's largest prestigious universities. They've got around 75,000 plus students, a faculty of around 10,000 academics, with over 100 buildings and across 3 campuses.
We were looking for a single point of accountability. So rather than have AV come into the room and potentially IT, we're looking at an organisation that can come and fix it all and get the room back up and running. Handoff points take time. We want that efficiency and we want that accountability.
So for RMIT, our solution is really about providing one team across all 3 campuses that are able to provide a resolution to all AV and IT issues.
We've got a big focus at RMIT on continual improvement. We bring in new technologies through our global partnerships and help influence their strategies.
Comprehensive reporting is a cornerstone of our managed services. It provides clear and concise information on the previous period, informs innovation and design, and allows continuous improvement activities.
There's been a challenge monitoring audiovisual systems at RMIT, as there are a number of different equipment types and manufacturers that have different monitoring tool sets, some of which that don't work at all.
So Symphony enables us to monitor a wide range of products from AMX, Crestron and so forth, and enables us to actually proactively fix issues before customers experience them in the classroom.
Insight get us and they understand that the customer's at the front of everything that we do, but they also challenge and push us to improve. I don't want a partner that is just status quo. I want a partner that gets what we're trying to achieve and challenges us to continue to strive for that.
We've had a great relationship with RMIT, delivering managed services for more than 7 years.